here we have the opening ready for a new window. The guys are installing this high efficiency Energy Star rated window. As you can see, this window here has SDL grills. That's the 2-inch horizontal strip that you see on the top of the window with an internal vertical grill. And these windows are all low E, Energy Star rated, Energy Star qualified, and they come with a lifetime warranty, including the frame, the glass, and the hardware. So if anything should go wrong with that window, the manufacturer will replace the parts at no cost to you. They use a super spacer technology, which is the #1 efficiency spacer bar available to manufacturers. And as you can see, there's also a multi-point, which will show you an inside view in just a few moments.